Hello everyone, my name is Swati Ahuja. Welcome to my channel. So this is the look that we'll be creating today, starting with skincare. This is Milagro Beauty's Gold Oil. I'll apply it all over my face. Now this is PAC's Pore Minimizing Primer. I will list down the product details in the description box. So I'll be using this product wherever I feel I have open pores. This is a decent primer, I must say, not a very good one. Now this is NARS concealer in the shade Custard, and I'll be using it as my eye base. Remember to keep the layer of the concealer thick if you want a lot of colors to blend. If there are a lot many colors to blend, you'll know what I mean. I'm just blending it with a beauty blender. Now this is Maybelline's crayon. The color I'll mention, it's a mauve color. Here I don't know, it looks more like red or maroon, but it's more of a mauve color. I'm using it as a base for today's eyeshadow. Now I'm using a brush, a fluffy but dense brush. This is to blend the edges. Also I'll use it to carve out the shape that I want for my eye look. Remember, these crayons are very dry and they dry very quickly, so you will have to work really very fast. Or maybe you can use some flash colors, they give you some time for blending, but usually people have these lip crayons with them. You can use any brand. I just wanted you to see this step because this is one of the major steps. How you blend will decide how your final look will look. Now this was a movie eyeshadow. I'm packing it on the top of the base that I have created. Just see, I am not blending it. I'm just using the dabbing motion. Now I'm blending the edges, but initially I just deposited the product on the base. So when people say that मेरा इतना अच्छा से कलर नहीं आ रहा, कलर इतने अच्छे से नहीं उठ रहा है, so I'll repeat it. This is the black eyeshadow that I'm using. I'm using it very close to the eyelid. Sorry, my upper waterline. And if you can see, I'm trying to wing it out a bit. So I'm saying when you feel that your eyeshadow is not that pigmented or it's not showing on your eyelids, just see the technique also. You need to pat it on your eyelid. If you start blending in the first go, then the color gets diluted or blended, if I must say. That's why you don't get a very good pigment. So now I have created a wing. Since I have hooded eyes, I keep on looking in the mirror if the wing is correct or not. Also, the hood in both my eyes is different. This eye has a more droopy hood while the other eye has a uplifted hood. The hooded people will know what I mean. Now I'm using the same mauve color. Mauve, is that a word? Mauve color. Now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm using Makeup Forever's pencil. I will list down the shade in the description box. This eyebrow of mine takes time because I have a stitch here, just in between, in the middle. So I take my time while doing this eyebrow. The other one I do very quick because this has a cut in between and that takes time. Now I'm using this Europe Girls Eyebrow Palette. You can see this is so dark. This brush, I must say, is very pointed. So beware of directly placing this product on your eyebrow. First tap the brush on your wrist and then use it. Now I'm using this Hoola bronzer for diffusing the outer edges of my eyeshadow. This way I'm creating a false crease. Since my crease is under the hood, so we cannot see that. That's why I'm creating a false crease. This will give an illusion that I have bigger eyelids without any hood, or not exactly without any hood, but yes, I have some space on my eyelids. Now this is a shimmer mauve color. I'm placing it at the center of the eyelid. I'm also using a very lighter shade of this. I'm using two shades actually, which you'll see just in a while because the first one was too dark. Yeah, this is the way we blend. You'll see I'll keep on blending in between. I'll keep going back to my eye look after every few stage of makeup. Now this is a liquid ink liner from Recode. I'm using a black eyeshadow to give it a smoky look. So I'll do both the eyes. Dun, dun, dun. Now both the eyes are done, not yet done. Only the upper eyelid I have done, and that too I have not highlighted my brow bone, the inner corners. So I'll do my base quickly because for that you can see my previous videos. Now I'm using the same mauve color on a pencil brush and I'm just tracing the outline of my lower lid. Just tracing it. I'm setting my under eyes with a compact. You must be knowing by now that I definitely like, setting my under eyes with a compact because with that I don't get crease lines. I think this is Color Bar's Kajal stick. I like a smoky eye with black kajal, but if you have small eyes, you can replace it with a nude stick or a white color. Now this is the highlighter from Savannah. This is a highlighter brick actually. You get many options in that brick. Even Nykaa has such a brick now. Again, I'm using the Hoola bronzer and you can see I'm going back again, back and forth till I am happy with the depth I wanted in my eyes. As you can see, my skin moves the moment I put brush on it. This happens when you have a hood in your eyes. This is the way I highlight my nose. I'm using the same Savannah brick. Highlighting the cupid's bow, highlighting my chin, highlighting my temples, highlighting my cheeks. I'm using the same Savannah brick for highlighting. You can see the glow it gives you. Now this is Sugar Cosmetics blush in pink. Smile while you apply your brush. Blush. Now I'll put a nude lipper. Yeah. So you can choose any nude lipper that suits your face. This is the kind of color I have. So I cannot mention my lipsticks because I always mix and match and make my own color. This is the final look, guys. What do you think? How is this? I'm very sorry, I'm very clumsy with my hair. I'm still very clumsy with dressing up, but this is what I could do. I hope it gives you an idea, how this look can look like. Now this is a part from my Instagram reel. If you want to follow in my other socials, my Instagram account is swatiahuja.makeovers. I also have a Facebook page. My socials will be linked in the description box below. So you can see it's a very simple movie